we're biking on this trail, and up ahead we see an abandoned town. And we think it's an abandoned town because it's overgrown and it's been graffitied. So let's go.
Over there, you can see some of the old buildings.
Random dad stuff.
All over the road.
We're gonna check it out.
A sign that's been graffitied. I found a hole. Hole in the ground. Look, Dad, look
I wonder what all this was. Old warehouses, but it's like out here in the middle of nowhere. That looks a little creepy, guys.
Oh well. Maybe we'll need some earthbenders.
This is pretty creepy. What do you guys think?
I'll leave my bike right here.
I'm gonna stay on my bike for a quick getaway.
Same. Well, check what's in there. Oh, it's sunlight. Wait for me, you guys.
Whoa.
Are those beds? I'm leaving, guys. I'm leaving. We're out. Let's go.
Oh, there's some good looking graffiti here. We definitely heard somebody or something in there.
Wait, point the camera in there and wait.
Would you spend a night in here for $1,000?
Look, there's a broken machine.
Ooh, it's a time machine.
That's an old time machine. Why is it?
Go down there. You got a crowbar? Go on down there.
Dad, come with me.
Is this too scary, guys?
Yes, almost.
Okay, on the count of 3, we'll run down there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Run! What'd you guys find over here?
We found a ladder. 2, 1, 2. I found the stairs. Let's go. Wait, guys, we can get up there. I'll be right behind.
Yeah, bro.
New skate park.
Whoa, edge.
Ellis, don't be so close. Move away. Move away.
That's pretty steep.
Zian, did he die? Yes.
I don't know what it used to be, some kind of industrial factory, and there's a ton of buildings. There's all these little buildings, some big buildings, some like big, tall silo type ones. So a lot of this graffiti looks pretty new too.
So he was leaving, and I forgot there was a barbed wire there, so I ran and I tripped over the barbed wire.
Ouch! Oh, and your shirt got caught? Dang. Gotta watch out for fences, huh?
Wait, I found an Alex.
Throw him some dinner. It was past him.
Never gonna get you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. Bye.